Hey guys, my name is Perry and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a sunset / colorful makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep watching. First we're going to take our Tarte concealer. Okay. And I'm going to put that as a primer for the eyeshadow. Okay. And then after we do the concealer, then we will put powder underneath. I definitely need this mirror. Thank you, James Charles, for putting in a mirror in your mini palette. Very helpful. Okay, looks good. Now we just need to do the powder and then we can start our look. Put that underneath. And then just a little bit more, just to start baking a little bit while we're doing our eyeshadow. Just a little bit of bake, not too much, mostly under the eyes. For this look, we're gonna be using the James Charles mini palette. Exciting. We're gonna be using this yellow color called B. So dip your brush into that color. You're gonna be putting it like right above your crease. So like right here. Okay. And I'm just gonna blend that. And blend it and blend it and blend it. I'm not gonna lie, my eyebrows look really good today. Okay, and then we're just gonna do that same step on the other eye.
And definitely, like, you could build it up to more color if you wanted. I think I might do that just a little bit, not too much. Just like.
Okay, so we're done with the yellow part. Now I'm going to be using the same brush that I've been using, and we're going to get into this color, which is called 518. Okay, and this color is going to be going into the crease, so right below where you did the yellow, you're going to put the orange. Orange is my absolute favorite color. It's just so pretty. I love it. But since I said orange is my favorite color, I'm gonna go a little crazy with the orange. You don't have to. It's kind of up to you. Whatever you think. Oh yeah, that's more of what I want. That is more of what I want right there. Yes. Okay. Now, using the same brush, I'm going to dip into this color called James. And so we're gonna put this underneath that orange. I don't know if you can tell, but that like kind of darkened it up a little bit and it helped blend it out a little bit more. So, and we're gonna do that on the other side. I love doing my makeup. It like calms me down. You know, it makes me feel better. Makeup is life. I'm switching brushes, and I'm going to be taking this color right here, which is called Rusted. I'm gonna get some of that. And I want this color on the lid. Not like all over the lid, but on the lid, if that makes sense. So this is not necessarily my lid color. I just want to use this to make everything pop a little bit better. See, because it's not fully there, but it's there. That's what you want. Because the next step, it'll be full red. I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that I used, and then I'm just gonna make sure that blends in on the top. So then I'm gonna be using this brush, and I'm going to be getting into the color You're Kidding, which is right here, just this red color, which I was telling y'all about. Rusted is going to make this color just pop that even little bit more than it already will, okay? So, corner. Okay, I got a little spot, but it's okay. I'm not worried. I'm gonna fix it. Other side. Ooh. And ooh! No, but really. Okay. Let's get that in there. Oh my god, I did it to the other eye too? Wow. At least you're being consistent. There goes my phone. Gotta get y'all back. Gotta get y'all back. Okay. Okay, guys. I dropped my phone, but it's all good and we're back. So we did that. Now, I'm gonna be taking now I'm going to be taking the color Rusted and You're Kidding again. So these two, mix them in together, make a little concoction, okay? And that's just gonna go under here. And I did that little winged thing that you see just to help me. I'm gonna go back in there and blend that out. So. Okay. So we did that. Now, I'm gonna be taking this brush right here and just gonna blend it. I'm just blending that spot. And don't worry, I'm gonna go back in and clean all of this up, okay? Like, don't even worry about it. Okay, so we did that. Blended it in. Okay. Now we're gonna be adding some shine, if you will. So I'm gonna be taking this like gold highlight that I have, and first I'm gonna be putting it under my brow bone. Do you see that? Do you see that? Just how like elevated the look? Elevated? Dang, it looks good. Okay. Then just a little bit more, or a lot, in my case, a lot more. And I'm gonna take that highlight and I want it in my inner corner. Okay. Now I cleaned it all up. Do you want to see how it looks right now? Looking good? I think so. Okay, so now that we cleaned that all up, I made a mess. Oopsies. Okay, so now that we have the eye look finished, I'm gonna go off camera to put on my lashes and I'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, I'm back with my lashes on. For highlight, we're gonna use the same highlight that we use for under the brow bone and the inner corner. Okay, so start on this side. Got that glow. I think I always say that, but I mean, it's true. I might go a little bit extra, just cause why not? I feel like being extra right now. Just a little bit more. Like, I want to shine like a diamond. I almost want to put it like all over my face, but that would not be a look. So we're not doing that. Okay. So next is going to be blush. And y'all know I love blush. I just went like really crazy with the blush. Okay, blush is on. Our last step is going to be lips, and then we'll use our setting spray to complete the look. Now, KKW Beauty in the color Nude 1. So that's what I'm doing. And let me tell y'all, my eyeshadow looks so good. I did so good. I'm so proud of myself.
I think I need a little smaller mirror. Oh yeah, here we go. Close. So y'all can see. But I don't over my nose. I like this glitter. Lip gloss. It's not too dark.
And now we'll be using the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss in the shade Yes Girl, Yes. Because we finished this look, so yes. And I love this gloss with this look because it has like gold flakes in it and stuff. So that ties in with your highlight and everything. Okay. And that is today's look, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope y'all have a great day.